Remember this signature neighborhood? The subway, bus terminal, Central Park. Yup, it is the Vaughan Metropolitan Centre. Wait, didn't we just talk about the Artwalk project in September? We did, but it took longer than expected for the developer to get ready for sales, and the project never actually came out to the market until now. And of course, the biggest thing that happened between September and now is the approval of the new Inclusionary Zoning housing policy. Starting as early as next year, developers are forced to dedicate 5 to 10% floor space in the new condo developments for affordable housing. It is definitely going to disrupt the market. It might help low-income families, but like we discussed in the past couple weeks, the rest of the people will actually see price spikes. And here's the thing, it is only a City of Toronto policy. That means the 905 area will be unaffected. One of the side effects of the new policy will be a boom in the Vaughan Metropolitan Centre. Why? It is cheaper. I mean, way cheaper. It is on the yellow line of the subway. You won't have any affordable housing units in your building. You see, the value of VMC will be elevated from this point on. And you are going to see VMC from a new perspective, going up from the center of the plan. We are now looking south, and Highway 407 marks the south boundary of VMC. And Highway 7 divides the plan into South VMC and North VMC. South VMC is owned by multiple developers, with Mancus being their biggest one and developing a majority of it. You can see Mobilio under construction on the south end. And the big site up here on Highway 7 is a very popular one that many people invested in. You see, that's the beauty of building a modern downtown from scratch. Highway 400 marks the west boundary of VMC. North VMC is all owned by smart centers. That's why you also hear the term Smart VMC. It is also perfectly planned with residential, commercial, retail, and outdoor green spaces. You can see that the new downtown is already taking shape here. The Transit City condo towers have been occupied for a year now, and there are a few more under construction. The bus terminal is right there in full service. The 77,000 square feet YMCA, the PwC and KPMG office towers are both in operation as well. Of course, one of the biggest selling points of VMC is the subway station opened in 2017. And Vaughan remains the only city outside of Toronto that's accessible directly by the subway. So where is the subway station? It is right behind the KPMG building. Let's go down to the ground to check it out. Here is the subway station with a modern look. That's the KPMG building we just saw. It feels pretty nice walking through this neighborhood with everything brand new. So clean and green. Today, I want to tell you about this site that's less than a 3-minute walk from the subway station. The site is called the Artwalk. It has 3 condos, 38, 18, and 6 stories, and it will be right across the 9-acre Central Park. One of the biggest features in Artwalk is this super nice courtyard enclosed by the 3 buildings. Don't you think it is a unique lifestyle when you can chill out on your own balcony and enjoy watching people downstairs with your afternoon drink? You see, the park and the courtyard are elevating lifestyle, and the subway and the bus terminal offers everyday convenience. All these are added values to your investment. 1-bedroom units will start at around $600,000. Sales are starting right now. 905 condos are set to boom when the inclusionary zoning policy takes effect. You can choose to ride the wave or step aside to watch the storm. If you're ready to participate in the boom, schedule a call with me at the link below now.